How to fix WhatsApp business keeps stopping. So if you want to fix your WhatsApp business keeps stopping, then first you need to open up your settings application. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then you'll find apps. Tap on it, then go with manage apps. Here you need to go with search and search for WhatsApp business. After searching for WhatsApp business, you need to tap on it. Then you need to go with clear data, which will be on the bottom. Tap on clear cache and tap on OK. Now you need to go with app permissions. Under that, you need to scroll down a bit and then make sure that you allowed all of the permissions. Once you allow your permissions, now you can go back and then refresh your WhatsApp business and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go back and then open up your Play Store. After opening Play Store, you need to go with search, and here you need to search for WhatsApp business. After searching, if you have any updates on your WhatsApp business, just simply tap on update, which will be on the right side, and it will start the updating process. Once it's updated, your problem will be fixed. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.